Okay, so AI and compliance, it's not just hype. It's a total strategy shift. Let's get into it. And the pressure is definitely on. FDA warning letters jumped almost 10% in a single year. Wow. You see, companies are drowning in data. The old school manual reviews, they just can't keep up anymore.
So this is the real game changer. We're moving from just reacting to problems to actually predicting them.
But how do we make that jump? Well, it all starts with technologies like machine learning. And then you've got NLP. It basically teaches computers our language. It's like having a super analyst on call. Put these tools together, and bam, you get real-time monitoring that can predict issues before they even happen.
Okay, but what's the real-world impact? Well, in finance, firms slashed compliance costs by a massive 45%. And it's not just about the money. They also boosted their reporting accuracy by a crazy 38%. Take pharma, for example. AI can dig through tons of reports to spot patterns a human would totally miss. And as you can see, AI's role is super flexible. It scales from maintenance all the way to lab tests. Now, this doesn't mean we're throwing everything out. AI actually builds on frameworks that are already in place. And here's the key thing to remember. AI is a partner. It's here to help humans, not replace them. So getting it right means following a clear path. Define its job, manage the data, and keep humans in charge. Which really changes how you think about it, right? AI isn't just a tech upgrade, it's a strategic move. So you gotta ask yourself, is your strategy about predicting the future, or are you just stuck reacting to the past?